the best Digitalocean promo codes for you, how you can get them. For this, search the same on your browser and then click on this first website that will appear in front of you, that is Digitalocean. First of all, on the main official website, as you can see, there is an offer to get about $200 off on your account creation, or whenever you will purchase anything from this, you will get free to 200 credited on your account. For this, you simply have to click on the promo link and it will redirect you to the main promo code website where you can copy that or you can redeem it on official DigitalOcean website. So this was the first website where we are reviewing the promo codes. Now we will move to the second website called Retail Market. In this Retail Me Not website, you will also get the same promo code, the expiry date, and the last use, that when the code was last used, or is it working, or is it active or not. So you will get all details with this. Thank you so much for watching this video.